Prague, known as the Golden City or the City of 100 Spires, traces its roots to the 9th century. Situated on both sides of the Vltava River, this city is filled with a rich history and deep culture.
The Old Town Hall was established in 1338 and is located on the Old Town Square. It consists of 5 buildings, which include a Gothic chapel and a very unique astronomical clock. The clock was first made in 1410 and is the oldest astronomical clock still working. Built in the 9th century, Prague Castle is the official office of the President of the Czech Republic. Many have held this seat of power, including kings of Bohemia and Roman emperors. With 20 themed areas and over 3,000 exhibits, there's something for all at the Prague Lego Museum. Some of the themes include Indiana Jones, Harry Potter, pirates, and aliens, just to name a few. And make sure you check out the store at the end. This is all for you, Brian. When visiting the Butterfly House in Prague, you'll experience a unique interaction with butterflies from all over the world. As you stroll through the different exhibits, chances are there will be many photo ops. Founded in 1143, Strahov Monastery has a library containing over 200,000 volumes, beautiful architecture, and more than a few notable people buried there. And while you're there, grab a bite to eat and have some of their unique brewing.
If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. And while you're there, drop a comment, give me some feedback. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, signing off from Prague, stay safe, stay well, stay odd. Yeah.